Good morning. How can I help
What
you?
else? Just for the prescription. Hello, why not take so long for?
Sir, we told you we have 10 prescriptions in front of you.
So what have to do with me? Now serving customer 13.
Hi, you're 13?
No, I'm at 25.
Next? Yeah.
Hi.
Good afternoon. So you want everything on the prescription?
No.
So what you want?
I don't know. My grandma sent me.
Next?
Alright, so you see from one day I'm in the bathroom and don't you so just a bird.
Wait, sir, you can't just show me that right here like that so.
Oh, I understand. Last time I come here, we get the medication here.
Oh, this is a prescription item.
But when you get it last time,
Because you had a prescription.
I want someone want 1 month worth of every single thing, but I definitely don't want number 2. It make me feel away. Make sure everything when me get lasts me for 3 months, but me only want 2 months worth of number 1 and number 2. No one doesn't have blue pill.
Sir, that's a prescription item.
So
So, wait, $100 that? Sir,
my prescription there.
oh, see it here.
C tier. C tier. Oh yeah, you want insurance? C tier. C tier.
Man, that's a shopping list.
Oh, it's sorry. C tier. C tier.
Mom.
Oh, sorry, wait. What time gonna close?
6 o'clock.
Good. So I'm just catching up. Alright, so my fill my prescription. Damn.
Oh, alright. So, you want everything?
Yes. Everything. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was kind of fun to make. Now, if you haven't already, go and check out my What Not to Say If You're a Pharmacist video. This is kind of a sequel to that one. So yeah, I filmed this vlog style because I almost forgot to actually film this part of the video. But yeah, if you haven't already, just subscribe just to support the thing, share it with your friends, and like the video, and leave a little comment if you want to see some more like this again. Now I know someone who not guilty of them thing here when I go in a pharmacy. So again, in the comments, just drop down whichever one I'm not guilty of. But yeah, come back next week for a brand new video right here on MDC Vids.